Okay, hi, my name is Ryan Liew, and this will be my video reflective for my sensory module. So I'll be answering 5 questions related. So for the first question, what did I achieve while completing this group project? So while doing my group project at the time, there's like a group of 5 people. So within the short period of time that our lecturer gave us to complete the whole project, I believe that I have strengthened my communication skills, in which it prevents us from the communication was there, which led to a problem-free project where there was almost 0 to none conflict in between, which makes us able to finish the project on time. And secondly, another one, it was also problem solving skills, because at the start when we first hand in our proposal, there was a few minor problems to do. So I believe that me and my group mates managed to solve that problems fast and easy and move on straight away. Second question, which was the most difficult part and why they were difficult for me? So for me, the challenging part of this module was actually at the start, where everything was generally quite new to me, where I was introduced to the different types of discrimination tests and stuff, which later on led to that paired assessment that we did, where we were randomly given a scenario, and we have to come up with our own scorecard and how to properly conduct the test. To me, at that time, it was, since everything was quite fresh and new, there was some parts where I was still quite confused. So yeah, that was pretty confusing for me at least. Third question is, which was the most straightforward part and why did I find it easy? So the thing that I found the most straightforward was actually during the tutorial classes, when Miss Tracy taught us the what test and maths related stuff. To me, I find it the most straightforward and easy, because as someone who did maths last time and someone who enjoys maths, I find that as long as you understand the scenario of the question and then the formulas are already given, so what you do is just substitute in and boom, your answer. Yeah, so that's why I find it easy . Then how have I developed my knowledge and skills? I believe that in terms of knowledge, I gained a lot on subject based. So technically, I learned how to conduct different sensory tests, and technically anything related to what takes place while conducting a test, a whole procedure, what you should do, what you should not do, how to maybe you should keep quiet, and yeah, and the different types of tests and stuff. What else? Another thing is also critical thinking skills, which allows me to analyze information and prevent argument, this kind of stuff. Then lastly, what advice would I give my friend if they want to enroll into this module? First things first, something that I've gone through, I would very much recommend if you have problems, if you have issues and stuff, for example, if English is not your first language, sometimes the English can be quite confusing, and yeah, so technically if you need help, I suggest you to seek help early, because as the course slowly goes on further, it'll get slightly more confusing. Yeah, so it's better to seek for help earlier . Secondly, attending class is very important, because there's not a lot of chances where you get to practice certain questions for your exam. So, and usually that is all done during the tutorial class. So if you skip a tutorial class, there's a high chance where you might miss quite a lot, because I believe that on top of attending to like lecture class, the practicing is another thing that will help strengthen your knowledge on the particular like question itself. So yeah, that's another advice I'll give. And lastly is that have fun, because Miss Tracy is a good teacher. Thank you very much.